Alamin nyo kung anong ginagawa ko dito. Dahil inayos namin para bukas. Kasi Friday ngayon, bukas is Saturday. Mag-ayos kami ngayon. Dahil birthday na ni Melay bukas. I mean, hindi naman bukas ang birthday niya. Parang advance birthday. July 28 pa yung birthday niya. Pero gaganapin bukas ng July 26. Para makapunta lahat ng mga invited sa birthday niya. So, ayusin muna namin dito para may space dito sa garage. Gagawin dito garage party daw. So, let's go. Dami pang ayusin. Let's go.
Betsam up, coffee strong, dressed to go. Traffic jam, but I won't stop. Got a dream, can't let go. Cubicle walls, clock ticks fast. Email ping, busy call. Filing papers, days won't last. On this grind, standing tall. Working all day. No sleep, just making my way. Working that pay. Gonna shine.
Ayun, parang itim ko. Ayun, naayos na namin dito. Tatakpan na lang namin yan. Then, i-donate namin tong iba. Yung ano ni Lorraine. Para lumuwag dito. So, punta muna kami. And bibili kami ng mga kailanganin dito sa garage. Mga cover dito, mga decoration. So, see you. See you. So, ayun, gabi na dito. Ako'y bumili ng decoration pa. Ito, sa Target. And we need to rush na kasi malapit na ang birthday ni Melay. Celebration bukas. So, magde-decorate muna kami. And I'm going back to their house. So, see you again. Bye-bye. Alright, nandito ako sa Chef Kiss ba yun? Yeah. Bibili ako ng calamari dito. Dagdag sa handa.
What size you want? What size you buy?
The small calamari tray.
Cancel.
Yeah. Can I pick up later?
What time?
Like 1:30.
Okay.
Alright. Oh. Keep the change.
Hmm?
Keep the change. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Eh, pupunta ako sa Seafood City ngayon. Putangin na araw. City ngayon para bumili ng ingredients ng carbonara. Malapit na birthday. So, bili muna ako. See you again later. Here we go. Naka-ready na yan. Tapos din. Okay na siya. 16. Pipick upin ko na yung ano. Yung calamari. 1:30. Late na nga ako eh. So, ito na. Pick up. Alright.
Can you do a small party tray chicken salad?
Ano? Bili ko na. Ay, nakuha ko na. And let's go back there. Let's see.
It's your special day, so let's rejoice with laughter, love, and a joyful noise. May your heart be filled with glee on this day of celebration for thee. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Wishing you a year of bliss, filled with love and happiness. May all your wishes come to life and bring you happiness and strife. Surround yourself with those you hold dear as we celebrate another year. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Wishing you a year of bliss, filled with love and happiness.
Birthday yan.
May all your
Hey,
wishes come to
happy birthday,
life and
bitches.
bring you happiness and strife.
Tinitingnan
Surround
lang.
yourself with those you hold dear as we celebrate another year.
Saan na siya? Saan siya? Happy birthday. Wait lang, baka Hello. Ha? Sa garage ka? Sa garage ka daan? Magsisimula na yung ano, birthday. Sige. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Take the candles, presents, and joy. Happy birthday to you, Happy birthday, you.